So next, right after beauty oil, they can actually apply immediately the active moisturizer. So this moisturizer can actually give you more hydration on your skin, most especially if you suffer or if you have a dry skin. It's really a lightweight moisturizer that can actually absorb quickly on your skin. It actually it has botanical blend. Okay, it also has AHA and BHA ingredient on it. It is also non-comedogenic, so it is also good for those who have acne prone. You can use this in the morning, only in the morning, because at night we have a separate product that can gives you more hydration, which is the night cream that we have. Okay, and then later I'll discuss which one is the night cream. So right after active moisturizer also do have ascorbic acid or vitamin C on it, and apple stem cell that can delay the aging of your skin. That's the benefit of having apple stem cell as an ingredient on our products. And also the AHA and BHA blend that can actually exfoliate your skin easily. It helps your skin to have a cellular turnover. Okay, because every time we have, our skin produces a lot of sebum. It also sometimes the reason why we are our skin having breakout, it's because of the clogging of our pores, because of our dead skin cells. So having AHA and BHA blend on our product can actually help us, remove those dead skin cell and have that a good results with our skin, or prevent some breakouts on our skin. Okay, because it's actually a mild exfoliation on our skin as well with this kind of ingredients. It also has organic hops extract that can actually give you more soft skin and collagen production. And that can cause, minimizing wrinkles and dark spots on our skin. So